Yeah. So I just got back from Trader Joe's and HEB. So today, you know, I'm feeling a little chickeny, you know. So I got some. Let me just show y'all what we got. Let's just show y'all what we got. We're gonna do some chicken tenders. So I got buttermilk. I like eggnog, so I got the chicken tenders. So I'm gonna marinate it in the buttermilk. And got some flowers. Alright y'all, so this is the finished result. I think I'm gonna actually move these and put them like on the ouch. This is her in all her glory. And I like to get the, so these are, what were they? It's tulips. These are tulips. So I like to get them when they not blossomed yet, because they last longer. But we're gonna go ahead and set her up in her home. Okay. I don't know which side I want to show. We might do it like that. So yeah, this is her. She's so cute.
You literally are letting me sit here with who does that? Man made someone, and no disrespect.
Y'all, oh, I'm so excited. I was gonna go to Cane's. But yeah, y'all, I was about to go to Cane's on my way home, and I was like, you know what? Why not just make it? Look, I got 3 fingers for the price of 1. But fun fact, I used to work at Cane's. So I made sauce. And then y'all seen my plate already, but there we go. We're gonna do a taste test. Looks better than Cane's. This is good. Y'all, I stopped and got some Dunkin'. I don't know, y'all probably seen it when I was cutting the potatoes. I feel so jittery right now. Like, look at my hands shaking. Like, I haven't had coffee in a minute. I don't know what they did to it, but it just got my nervous system. Like, my heart is not beating fast, but it got my nervous system jumping. Today, all I had to do was go to AutoZone, and well, I went to 2 AutoZones. They couldn't do what I needed, so I went to O'Reilly. And then we went to Dunkin', then we went to HEB, and got some stuff to make this. And then came home, marinated my chicken. And I've been working since I got home. The way my career path just like drastically changed. So I used to do nails, wax, and hair. And it's like, I was good at it. I was real good at it. And I did like it. But I feel like with that, I don't know. It was kind of like I got tired of doing something, so I started off doing hair. And then it was like, I'm tired of this, let me try nails. I had nails for a minute. Then I went to waxing. And I don't know. Now me and my dad have an HVAC company. Well, I'm back. Yeah. It's just like, first of all, I enjoy saying, when people ask me what I do, I enjoy saying me and my dad got an HVAC company more than I enjoy saying I do nails and waxing. Like, it just sounds so much more fruitful. And no shade to the nail techs and all that, the cosmetology industry, because I love it. I used to be one of y'all, but it was just something God rerouted me. Like, I was about to work at European Wax Center. Y'all, tell me why I did the interview and everything. It came down to, so it was the first day of my training. I had to be there at like 7. So I'm up early, and mind you, I don't know why, but they don't provide you uniforms. So I had to go buy. I'm sitting there stressing, like, how I'm gonna get these uniforms, where I'm gonna get them. So I ended up finding the uniform. I had to be there the next day at 7. So I got up super early because the place I had to train at was like, how far? It was probably like an hour, 45 minutes to an hour away. And the place I was gonna work at was probably like 15, 20. So I get there, I go there, do my training, knock it out. And then I'm at the point where I'm with the lady who's training me, and we in there, I'm sitting in on waxes. Cause at European Wax Center, they tell you, well, they show you how they want you to wax. Like, yeah, you can have prior experience, but you have to wax how they want you to wax. So I'm sitting there learning the techniques and everything. And I go to lunch. It was at like 12. I come back, the manager, she says, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave. So me coming back from lunch, I'm like, what are you talking about? This is so random. She said it was cause I started on like June 28th. I had made an Instagram post about nails and waxing, because I think it took like a month for me to even hear back from them. A month or 2 months, one of those in between that. But it took me like 2 months to hear back from them. So I'm not thinking I'm getting the job, like, honestly. So I'm still doing what I do, like doing waxes, doing nails. That was on June 16th. That's when I made my last post on Instagram. So when 28 come, she said, yeah, you posted on Instagram on the 16th. It didn't make sense because my hire date wasn't until the 28th. Mind you, I didn't sign no contract or nothing. So her whole thing was, she was trying to make it seem like I signed the contract, and I knew that it just didn't make sense. But looking back, that was alright, because had I started working there, I would have got, so at that time, my thought was, I'm gonna go there, build my clientele up, open my own salon. God knew I would have got complacent, I would have got lazy, and I would have been stagnant. Like, that was not the move for me. And y'all, when it happened, I was so upset, like, bawling my eyes out, because I just thought I had it all figured out. But he gonna let you think you got it, just to show you that you don't. But I always try to stay open to change, because it ain't nothing like being stagnant and blocking your blessings. Had I been stagnant, I would not have been happy. I wouldn't have made it to this point that I would have eventually, but I don't think it would have ended up like this. And I'm so glad that happened. I just been looking back sometimes, and it's like, he has saved me from myself so many times. Trust God, y'all. Trust him, because his plan, his thoughts are higher than ours. His plans are going to give you better opportunities than you could have even imagined. So, like, trust God, y'all. I'm still learning. This is a whole new territory for me. But growth happens when you aren't comfortable. Growth happens when you go to a space and a place where you don't know what to expect. He's not gonna call you to do something you perfect at. That's like you mastering a skill and saying, oh, I'm good, I don't need nothing else. After so long, you're just gonna be doing it to do it. You're not gonna see his work, see how he's working to elevate you, to help you grow. Like, being in that uncomfortable place just opens your eyes to so much more, and just really allows you to give him his praise and see how he helps you through stuff. I don't know who needed to hear that, but get okay with being uncomfortable. I'm not 100% sure of what it is that I'm supposed to be doing, but I feel like I'm on the right track. I feel like I've gotten to a new mindset to where it's like I'm not walking out of fear. Like, sometimes you just gotta do it and try. It's better to try and say you tried than to not try at all and always wonder what if, or always have regrets. I feel like I said this on camera before. I don't know. But I tell this to myself all the time. It's better to try than to not try and regret not trying. The worst thing you can do is fail. And even then, failing, that's a learning opportunity. That's a way to grow. Failure is not bad. Failure is not bad. It may seem like it. I'm not saying it's gonna be easy going through it, but you're gonna be able to look back and just appreciate the change, the opportunities to grow. Like, it's better to be able to look back than to be stuck in that place and not even have an option to look back. But don't operate in the past, y'all. Ooh, my nose itch. I just tore that food up. That was so good. I'll see y'all. We're back in the kitchen. Oh, y'all, I just woke up. Bonnet all over the place. But I am about to attempt to make some homemade buttermilk pancakes. So, because I had some buttermilk from those chicken fingers we made. And I don't got no other reason to use no buttermilk. So, we're gonna try to make some pancakes. And y'all, if y'all not using vanilla bean paste, you're tripping. This is the brand I use. Just half a cup. Actually, that's all we're going to. And I wanted to go to Target and get some more plugins. Y'all, the Glade plugins, so I literally just bought a pack. I feel like last week. It was the pack of 7. And they already all out. But I have an Airwick one over in the den. And I've had that plugged in for a minute. And it's still halfway full. So I either want to try the Febreze, because I feel like I had the Febreze one before. But I want to try Febreze, or I'll just stick with the Airwick. But Glade, y'all wrong for that. $15 every week to have my house smell good. We're gonna try somebody else out.
He'll be here. Don't worry.
When, girl? His time passed.
It's only been like 7
We could have been roaming the streets as Tarjay. But no.
Ask him. Y'all wanna play Moncala? What's that? iMessage game. It don't work like that.
Couch. We are a calculator and a count. Alright, try come on. Hey, my friend saw your YouTube channel. She was so.
Hey YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm taking over because I'm that girl. I thought she was back there hating. She's my biggest hater and will continue to be.
I should have been that on camera. Booty.
Sorry guys.
Yeah, mammy. It's so ghetto. It's so ghetto.
Oh yeah, y'all
Really sad I think I
No, cause I just stared at her and then like
She was like this. I don't think I've ever said something in public. I want to see if they got what?
This is what I'm talking about. She's literally my biggest hater.
No.
How are you my sister, but also my hater?
You act like you never.
You're a fan. You're a fan. Stop. Stop.
Meatloaf. Then we got meatloaf and spaghetti last year. What do we have last year? Whoa. Chitlins. Yeah, we cleaning the chitlins. These the dirty.
Ew.
Girl. Oh, y'all, let me know in the comments if y'all like chitlins. You need to see the screen? Put the screen down if you need to see it.
Turn them things up.
Yeah. And then guess what, y'all? My mama was supposed to help me. Mommy was supposed to help me.
She went to her friend's house.
This happened last year too. She was supposed to help me and she disappeared.
Where'd she go last year?
I don't know. Maybe she had to work. You know. Last time I seen a booty hole. It was a booty hole in the chitlins last year. I ain't seen one this year.
If
It's good stuff. Some hot sauce. You gotta drown it in hot sauce, so you can't just eat it by itself. You guys, let me know in the comments if y'all eat chitlins. Did I say that already?
yes.
How do y'all eat y'all's?
How long is it garage?
2 kings.
Say hey.
Amber, do that.
Happy
Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving!
So what if
No, I was bad when they
what
came
if
out.
this do turn out to be BS though?
Do you want to call it?
If once you put yours down, then it don't matter what you put down. Yes or no. But how we gonna find out? So that's when I would go next. So if I do queen, if y'all think it's BS, then that's when whoever, if it was BS, then I pick up the thing and I would see that, oh, she didn't really have 10. But if I put down what it really did, yeah. But if I really did have it, then you would pick it up. Then you'd be like, oh dang, it really was 10. But once it's down, you don't know if it was or not. If nobody called it.
Okay. That's Amber, ain't? Let me show you. This is where this nigga was at. This nigga was sitting in the back seat. Look, I'm gonna show you. He was sitting in the back. He was in the back seat. Next thing I know, this nigga in the front seat at the steering wheel.